We're going to learn how to make a Stomp rocket, and in order to do that you're going to need a clean and empty 2-liter soda bottle. You'll need a roll of duct tape and also some regular tape. You'll need a pen, an index card, a couple of sheets of paper, a piece of PVC pipe. It can either be a 1-inch piece or a 1/2 inch, okay? At least 12 inches long. And you'll also need the inner tube from a bicycle. Now it's okay if it has a hole in it. We're actually going to be cutting it, so I'll show you how to use that as well. Okay? So let me show you what you need to get started. Now your first step is to cut a length of your bicycle tube. Now you can see I've already cut it in half here. And I'm going to go to where the valve stem is and slice it off. And then we're going to attach one end to our PVC pipe. Now if you're using a 1-inch, it's just a simple matter of stretching it over the end. Okay. And you can secure this with a piece of duct tape. Okay, just like so. Now if you're using the 1/2 inch, I'll do that one as well. Go ahead and cut the section of your tube off that has the stem on it. You actually don't need this piece. Okay. And you'll notice that the 1/2 inch probably slides easily and it doesn't make a solid fit. And you see you've got a gap in here? Go ahead and squeeze that, stretch it up, and then fold it over on itself and use your duct tape to secure everything into place. You want this to be an airtight seal. All right, so use more duct tape if you need to. Okay, so on the other end of this tube goes your bottle. Okay, so take your cap off and stretch this over the mouth of the bottle. Okay, just like so. Now you can use more duct tape here if you want. Okay, all right, your launcher is ready to go. And now we're going to make the rocket next, and I'll show you how to do that. So just put this aside until we're ready to use it. Now your next step is to roll a sheet of paper around the tube that's connected to the inner tube. This is your launch rod, and we're going to make a rocket that fits snugly around the launch rod. Okay, so go ahead and roll your sheet of paper up. Okay, and use tape to secure it into place. All right. All right, and when you've got that, go ahead and slide it off. And this is your rocket body. So to make the nose, use the inside of a roll of tape and run your pen around the inside to make a circle. You don't have to use tape if you don't have it. You can use the outside of a water glass or anything you have that will make this circle shape. And use a pair of scissors and cut it out. Make a cut halfway through your circle. Okay, so it kind of looks like Pac-Man here. And then slide one end over the other and you'll see it start to take a cone shape. Okay, so figure out what size this needs to be to fit onto your rocket. Okay, so mine actually has to be a little bit smaller. And when you've got that, you can tape it into place. So now using a larger piece of tape, you can attach your nose cone to your rocket. Okay, and now we're ready to put some fins on. All right, so using your index card, go ahead and cut yourself some fins. Okay. And attach them with tape. Okay, and so I'm going to put my fins on here, and then if I attach it with tape on both sides, the fins will actually stand up like that. Okay, so take a piece of tape and put it on one side of your fin, and then attach your fin to the rocket body, and then take another piece of tape and put it on the other side of the fin. See, if you don't do that, it'll like lay flat like that against the rocket. So if you put tape on both sides, it'll help it stand up better, like that. Okay. So we've completed our rocket. Now let's see how we launch it. Now to launch your rocket, simply slide it over the end of your tube. You already know it fits because this is where you first made the tube in the first place. Okay? So all you need to do now is stomp on the bottle and your rocket will take off. Go ahead and give that a try. So after your first launch, you may be wondering, well, how do I get this bottle back into the original shape that it was in? Well, that's easy. You see this tube? Simply blow in there. It'll not only make the bottle return to its original shape, it'll also put air inside your inner tube, which is what you're going to need for the rocket to go the highest. Your launch pad is ready for a new rocket. Go have fun.